Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Dbeaver and confirming the essentials. You need the host, port, and credentials at hand. Once done, choose Database Right Arrow New Connection because that launches the driver selector. Make sure to pick the correct database type to load the right driver automatically. If the driver isn't present, Dbeaver will prompt to download it. Allow that. This avoids mismatched drivers and saves troubleshooting later, so don't skip it. Now you configure the connection. Enter hostname, port and database or schema, then add the username and password. Next, examine the driver properties. Change JDBC URL or add jars only if needed because defaults usually work. If using SSH tunneling, enable SSH and supply jump host, login, and key or password. SSL requires key store paths. Once configured, click Test Connection, note the success or the specific error. That directs whether to tweak credentials, network, or driver settings. Finish by clicking Finish or Save, then open the connection from Database Navigator to expand schemas and objects. Run a quick query like Select One or Select Version. To confirm the session behaves as expected, that verifies authentication and permissions. If something fails, a key troubleshooting tip. Enable connection logging and inspect the JDBC URL and driver version, then confirm firewall or port blocking. Often the issue is network rules or an incorrect JDBC parameter, not Dbeaver itself. Fix that and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.